Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to Logic Links. In this assignment, we are going to be using our reasoning skills to figure out the correct order of colored chips. Let's get right into the assignment. The first thing I always want to do in an assignment is read the directions. Read the clues. Click and drag the black and white circles to the correct spot. Okay, great. This means that I will be moving the colored chips on top of the gray chips to complete the assignment correctly. Let's begin by reading the clues. Clue number 1 says, the white chips do not touch each other. So that means I would move the white chips so they do not touch each other. So in my mind, I just put them as far away as they can from each other. That means they're not touching. All right. Now clue number 2 says the chip on the right end is black. All right. So that means that I would have to move this one, and I know that they can't touch each other, so that means that white one would have to go right here. And then I would move the black chips into those positions. All right, so my final answer is white, black, white, black. And I would double check that each clue is still true. All right, so my first clue says the white chips don't touch each other. Got that? And that the black chip is on the end. The chip on the end is black. All right, awesome. So you will have 3 logic link puzzles to complete on this assignment before you submit your work. The first puzzle is right here for you to see. And then I'll also submit the other ones. All right, good luck.